Oh my God. We're supposed to go in the water tomorrow and you keep ripping the boat apart. This is worse than it's ever been.
I had to get that power line. You want to do your hair dryer and your computer stuff offshore, then I needed to get that pulled. And it was strapped.
What does that go to?
That's the AC power coming into the boat, shore power.
So what was wrong with the shore power that you had to rip the whole boat apart?
Okay, it's got a wire into the inverter that we're putting in there. And I had to have some wire, because I got to cut it, and it's got to go in and then have it come out. It passes through the inverter.
Oh, Jesus.
But like you see the conduit, everything was strapped underneath there. They've had it apart before, and of course all these frickin' screws were stripped out, so they got to be replaced.
We have those screws? I'm sure we probably do. That screwdriver, you're gonna like ground up my floor with that. It's not where you should leave your toys.
I took the charge controller out because I'm putting the new charge controller in.
Okay.
So anyway, I'm gonna need your assistance. I need to strap these all back up. I'm trying to get the wires straightened out here. So.
Kill me now.
What?
Kill me now.
Well, this has to go through there, and this may be a good opportunity to pull it through now that I got it open. I was gonna pull it through the conduit, but the conduit's kind of full.
I'm open for whatever's easiest at this point because I'm wired out.
I'm going to be here a little while. I just need to verify some wires before I put this all back in. I'll show you this out here.
I really don't want to see it.
Drilling it. The screw wasn't in straight, so it was really challenging because it was all at an angle to get it out. So I just drilled the whole thing out and was able to get the screw out, and I filled it with thickened epoxy. Just letting the epoxy set up now, and then when we put the unit in, I'll just drill a new hole after we put the unit in.
Right.
I'd still like to get this in today, so.
Yeah.
Well, you know.
Okay.
Are you hungry yet?
Not yet. Give me 10 minutes. Scary noise. All right. Engine seatcock open?
Yeah.
All right, let's do this. The launch didn't go as planned because the engine won't start. So we got towed out of the
All right.
the little well there. Cap'n Merle tore the whole engine apart, so something's not hooked up right. So, but it's a gorgeous day. And a quiet little ride over to our new slip. So, here's where we are 7 hours later. We finally got the engine to start. Sand it off or use sandpaper on a corroded thing for the solenoid. And then he undid some connector and redid it, and it started. And then we did the pump out on the 2 toilets. Oh my God, I'm done with this boat.